In this video, I will show you how to add a countdown timer on Wix. In order to do that, head over to our website and then from in there click on this countdown timer option. From in there click on this create widget and then just choose in here the template that you want for your countdown timer. For example, I'll head over and choose this one and click on this continue with this template. You can put in here a start time. So for example, the start time will be around 2024 of September 27. And then the end time will be 2024 as well of September 28. So it will give it around 24 hours. So in here, just choosing here the position as well as the message. Then once you're done with that, click on this publish option. Now this is now been published. Now in order to add this to your site, you need to close this one and then from in there click on this install option. Now we have in here this things right here. You can click on this fix right here in order to put in here the installation code. Now for this one, you just need to head over and copy this. So click on this copy option right here. Head over to your Wix and then just go to the part wherein you want to install it. Click on this plus icon, click on this search right here, and then search in here for HTML. So let's search in here for that. And then once you have done that, just locate this embeds option and then just add it right around here to your site. And then once this embed has been added to your site, you can put in here anything that we have copied earlier. We can see it right here. Just put in here what we have copied. Click on the update option. You can also add in here an alt text if you want. Then just close this and just wait for this to finish loading.